Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to create a Faultline cake the easy way. This is not the usual method, but is quick and easy while still looking cute. The first step is to fill and base ice an 8-inch double layer cake with yellow buttercream icing. Once iced, let the cake sit for a good 10 minutes to allow the icing to form a crust. The next step is to use a number 45 tip to pipe a white line around the midsection of the cake. Use a small spatula and scraper to spread out and smooth down this band of icing. And now we add sprinkles to the band of icing. Scoop up sprinkles with your hand and toss gently. Be sure to tap the bottom of the cake board frequently to knock off any excess sprinkles. I'm using the Neon Bright Quins from DecoPack. Take care to remove any stray sprinkles off the board or yellow iced areas. Then go around the sprinkle band and gently press in the sprinkles so that they are flush with the yellow iced sides. Next, pipe a simple wavy line above and below the sprinkle band. I'm using the mum petal tip number 80 in the same yellow color as the base icing. I'm now switching to the number 9 tip and adding a bead border to the bottom of the cake. Top off the cake with a border of rosettes using a 1M tip. And finally, sprinkle the top border with the neon quins. And the Faultline cake is then complete.